Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter number 11, force and pressure. Firstly we discuss about force. Force is a push or pull on an object. When we apply a push or pull on an object that are due to the force. Firstly we discuss effects of force. How can force affect on these objects? Firstly, force can cause motion of stationary objects. Stationary means at rest. Force can change the stationary object. And the next one is force can stop moving object. When some bodies move, force can stop these object. After that, force can change direction of motion of moving object. When some object move, when we apply force, it can change the direction of moving object. And the next is speed of moving object. Force can change speed of moving object also. It can move fast objects slow and slow objects fast. Next, force can change shape and size of object. It can totally change the size and shape of object. Then next is SI unit of force. SI unit of force is Newton. Next is, firstly we discuss types of force. First is contact forces and second one is non-contact forces. Firstly we discuss contact object. Contact objects are mainly two types, muscular force and frictional force. First, muscular force. It is a force due to our muscles. For example, kick a football, pendle a bicycle. These two forces are due to our muscles. That's why these are called muscular force. And next one is frictional force. Frictional force is a force that are due to the friction of two surfaces. First of all, moving on floor. When we walk on a floor, there is a friction between the soles of our shoes and between the floor. And the next is moving ball stops after some time. Moving ball stops after some time due to the friction between the floor and ball. Next is non-contact forces. These are also three types. First is magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Firstly we discuss magnetic force. These are the force due to the magnet. Magnet has a property that attract iron object towards itself. And the next one is electrostatic force. These are the force that can due to the charged object. Firstly, small pieces of paper attract charged comb. When we rub a comb with our hairs, it can charge and after that it attract the small pieces of paper. And the next one is gravitational force. It is due to the gravity. You know, all things when we fall upward direction, it can fall down due to the gravitational force. Earth has a gravitation force. And the next is pressure. Pressure is that measure effect of force per unit area. When we apply a force on small area, that are called pressure. Firstly we discuss formula of pressure. Pressure's formula is force per area. Now we discuss units of pressure. To find out the units of pressure, firstly you can write the formula of pressure. Pressure is force by area. F means force, A means area. We firstly discuss force is measured in Newton and area is measured in meter square. So units of pressure become Newton per meter square. You can also write SI unit of pressure is also known as Pascal. You write Pascal also and Newton per meter square. These are same things. Now we discuss applications of pressure. Firstly, a heavy truck is fitted with 6 to 14 tires because it can become more tires and less pressure on the roads. That's why these are due to the pressure. Next is cars use long flat skis to slide over snow because when the long and flat skis are used, it can walk on the snow smoothly. And the next is cutting edge of knives blades are sharp because when we cut some object due to the sharp things, that's why pressure can become more and it can cut easily. Next is foundation of heavy rise. High rise building kept wide because high rise buildings has a more area, that's why it can upward rise no less pressure. Next, you know very well, a school bag has a wide straps because due to wide straps it can become less pressure on our shoulders, that's why its straps become wide. And the last is a wide steel belt is provided over the wheels of army tanks. You see this on the army tanks very well. The tires of the tanks are has a wide steel belt due to the less pressure on the roads and it cannot compel into the soil. And the last topic is atmospheric pressure. You know atmosphere means the layer of air around the earth that are called atmosphere. In this chapter we discuss atmospheric pressure. Firstly, the pressure exerted by the air due to its own weight. Air has a weight. Due to its own weight is called atmospheric pressure. The application of atmospheric pressure. Firstly, drinking straw. You can mostly drink fruit juice with the help of straw. These are also due to the atmospheric pressure. And the next one is syringe. You know very well, the liquid is filled in the syringe when we push the piston into the liquid. These are also due to the atmospheric pressure. And the last one is rubber suction pad. All the hanging object, these are the rubber suction pad that can pressurize more on the wall. That's why we can hang clothes with these. These are also with our these are also due to the atmospheric pressure. I hope you all listen this carefully and you can discuss briefly, and after that because these are used in our daily life.